22/79 Cosmic Security of highest 3 syllabus for missiles. Me space for missiles. I do not follow anybody's system. I have got my own system. Nij Yoga system of evolution. That's more than enough. All those who are thinking that I will get into their system, that's impractical for me. If anybody wants to get into my system, I have given the specifications. Highest 3, Nij Raj Yogic tree. Bachelors and Spinsters. Straighteousness. Straights right, straights left, straight. Nij's path. NIJESSAI Groups. Luxurious and royal. Kingdom of missiles. Nij Yogis and Nij Yoginis. Several ways of one specifications are given for me brand souls to be in the power flows, power manifestation souls. Those who do not like ME spirituality, how can they think about getting benefited by my contacts? All those who are going to be in the new millennium with Nij Yoga Meditation, Nij Yogic Life, then they can easily understand what is ME spirituality and its visionary path of Nijas. Since I have proclaimed about 51 crores of housewarming, then I have to make sure that I work with it to materialize it. So only me brand soul, the powerful souls, are allowed to be a part of my vision and a mission. Dreaming is superfluous in me. Willing also. Then I must see that all my willing culture should find its result orientation, means materialization. Only those souls who are going to serve me will find me in tune with my vision. That is souls get-togetherness. Those who do not want my growth stories, why should they inculcate in thinking about me? A millennium man thinks always big to save the planet with millennium evolution spirituality and various wonderful things. Then he has to be big. He has to think about his own ways, and all those who are born for it, they will feel it through hearts to hearts. NIJESSAI Groups. Universally global. Thank you, universe, in advance, because every wonderful thing requires the power of willing to feel the love of God everywhere. Creating yogic wealth is a powerful inclination in me unit space. Cosmic space has unlimited scope for big business and huge wealthy conditions to bestow upon human species. So business, spirituality and prosperity together is not a small dream. It's a practical way of one living in good condition of highest tranquility and peace with abundance. Creating destiny is natural for brand souls. That is where power manifestation souls have got that type of determination to create one's own destiny. For that, same-minded, integrated, loving energies are essential. Such energy fields are soulmates in me unit space, Bachelor Bungalow souls and Spinster Bungalow souls and elderly Bungalow souls to feel the powerful ways of one creating destiny and living beautifully in this planet, highest 3 syllabus. Bachelors and Spinsters have the leading powers in me unit space, youthful in energy, creating one's own conducive atmosphere, commanding, demanding to feel their power within. Power manifestation, power empowerment from me unit space, horseman. Those who love slaveries, they cannot create destiny. Those who have power, they will never become slaves. That's where kingdom of me souls, powerful souls, they can create not only wealth, conducive atmosphere and feel they are going to be in a new millennium process of evolution to feel a beautiful life in this planet. Create destiny through M is spirituality. M is systems are for the best among human beings. Those who are opponents, they are not going to help any me brand souls. Beware and aware about it. So, one should feel one's own power to be free in willing culture. Non-betrayal, honesty and sincerity, and straightforwardness, the 3 things are essential for me brand souls. 1,23,201 souls in each category. INR 3794, INR 3000, INR 2000. Souls gathering under the banner of Nij Raj Yogic tree, amass huge wealth, universal, global. 51 crores of housewarming to guide, guard and protect me souls. Live a beautiful life with clarity of a vision and a mission. Messengers of love and religion of love in it. NIJESSAI Groups. Begin a process. Travel with me anywhere. Next 21 years, that determines how many are going to be leaders of tomorrow. Highest 3 syllabus. Globeman owns in the leading styles. Bachelors and Spinsters in me unit space. Left you all. മറ്റുള്ള സിസ്റ്റങ്ങളെ നിഷേധിക്കേണ്ടി വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ അത് അവരവർക്ക് നന്മയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടിയാണെങ്കിൽ അതിൽ തെറ്റില്ല. റോങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള സിസ്റ്റത്തിൽ ഇരുന്നു കൊണ്ട് മറ്റുള്ളവരുടെ അടിമയാകുന്നത് ഓരോരുത്തർക്കും ഭൂഷണമല്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് നിജയോഗ സിസ്റ്റം ഓഫ് എവല്യൂഷൻ ഏറ്റവും ഉയർന്ന സിസ്റ്റത്തെ പ്രദാനം ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഗ്ലോബ് മാനോൺസിൻ്റെ ലീഡിംഗ് സ്റ്റൈൽസിൽ നേർദൃഷ്ടി ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ ദൃഷ്ടിയാണ്. അത് കേൾക്കുന്നവർക്ക് ജീവിതം ഇല്ലാതാകുന്നില്ല. ജീവിതം വേണ്ടവർ ദൈവത്തെ മനസ്സിലാക്കി ആരാധിക്കും. കോസ്മിക് ദൈവത്തെ, മനുഷ്യരൂപത്തിലുള്ള ദൈവത്തെയല്ല. നിജരാജയോഗിമാരുടെ ദൗത്യം തുടങ്ങുകയായി. ബാച്ചിലർ ബംഗ്ലൗസ് സോൾ, സ്പിൻസ്റ്റർ ബംഗ്ലൗസ് സോൾ, നിജ് യോഗീസ് ആൻഡ് നിജ് യോഗനീസ് അവരുടെ ഭാവിയിലെ ശരിയായ ജീവിത രീതി, എൻജോയ്മെൻറ്റ്, എൻ്റർടൈൻമെൻറ്റ്, എവല്യൂഷൻ ഇൻ ഇറ്റ്. ഒരു പുതിയ യുഗത്തെ വരവേൽക്കുമ്പോൾ അത് സത്യയുഗത്തിലേക്കുള്ള പ്രയാണമാണ്. Nature cannot teach consciousness, but consciousness can be aware about the nature, become spiritual in culture and nature, so that consciousness can be made digested easily through one's own consciousness. Indescribable blissfulness and happiness in it. Join me unit space left you all, powering and empowering vision and mission of NIJESSAI. Powerful souls make manifestation a reality. Manifestation energy fields. Me space is space power. Powerful space for me souls to create one's own destiny. Hollywood and Bollywood together in creativity. Nij Raj Yogic tree for the phenomenal glory of me brand souls. Highest three leaders we only.